How to create forms on Google Forms. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily create forms from scratch on Google Forms. First thing you have to do is simply head over to your web browser, go to this URL and type in docs.google.com/forms. Hit enter, and you'll be taken directly over to Google Forms. Now, you'll have an option to create a form if you click on this plus icon on blank form. Tap on it. Then once you get to this page, there are a lot of choices that you can add and multiple type of questions. So the first question right here by default is selected to multiple choice, but what I'm going to do is first I'm going to ask for, let's say if I want to create a short survey form, I can just ask for the person's name first. On untitled question, you can type in your question. So I'll just go ahead and type in your name, question mark. And then you could just go ahead and write the short answer text here. To add another question, tap on this plus icon to add. And now you can add other choices. Let's do multiple choice for this one. And then I'll just select your gender. Then type in your options. First, I'll do male. Then on the other option, tap here to add other options. So let's just click on add other option. It's going to be female. Click on again. It's going to add prefer not to say. All right, let's just leave it as it is. Then you could also do polls. So just go ahead and click on this plus icon again. And from the question choice, you could do checkboxes, drop downs, and more. So I'll just do checkboxes for now. And then here I'll just type in your food preference. And then on the checkboxes option, I'll just do veg for now, vegetarian, and add other option. It's going to be non-veg. Then you just add other option. Let's do vegan for now. All right, so once you have added your choice, it's also going to be multiple choices. So let's just do that. And then you can add other questions like let's do a long answer question. Now, once that is done, you could type in your question. So I'll just do paragraph and I'll just do how did you hear about us? Now, once you have done preparing your question, you can add the title of your form. I'll just do survey for now. And then you could add your form description as well. I'll just leave it as it is. If you want, you could also import different questions, add titles and description, add an image to your form to make it more attractive. And finally, you can just click on this publish to make it public. And I'll just click on this anyone with the link. Tap on publish. You can shorten the URL, copy this, and then on a new tab, if I just paste the URL, it's going to direct me to the form preview. I can just answer the question here, select the option, food preference, and then you can just write in a long answer question if you want here. Now just tap on submit. And then it's going to go ahead and record here on responses. If I go to responses, you can see all of the questions they've answered. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.